lesson today is Chapter 11, Lesson 3, Solving Equations with Variables on Both Sides. In our lesson today, we will just go and solve the exercise in your book because it's just application for the past two lessons. So you have to watch the past two lessons before you start to solve this lesson. Okay? So we have here lesson. We have here Chapter 11, Lesson 3. This page 596. 596. Let's start solving it. I told you here we're just making application on what we took in Chapter 11, Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. So let's start solve question 1. Question 1 here. Okay. 6x plus 3, this equals x plus 8. I want to find the value of x. What we will do? We said we will combine the like terms. We will combine the like terms. We have like terms here. In one side we don't have, but we have variable in both sides. And this is the difference between this lesson and other lessons. We have variable in both sides. We have x and 6x. 6x in one side and x in another side. Okay? We have here 6x and x. This is in one side and this in a different side. So what we will do, we want to remove one x from any side. So I will remove the small x. If I remove x from this side, how can I remove it? What is the sign of x here? The sign of x here is plus. So I will subtract x from both sides. So I have 6x. Then I will make it with minus x. I will subtract 1x from both sides. And then we will complete plus 3. This equals x, the original one, and there is another x. I subtract x. We have plus 8 in the original equation. Plus 8. So we have here, let's combine the term 6x and negative x. So here will be 5x. It will be 5x. Okay, 6x and negative x, it will be 5x. Then we have positive 3, it's the same, equals x, negative x, this means 0. So it will be 0 plus 8. Okay, it's complete. 5x plus 3 equals 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is mean 8. And now that 3x, what we will do with the 3x? We will subtract 3 from the both sides. We will make minus 3 from both sides. 5x and negative 3 plus 3 will be 0. So 5x, and then this equals 8 negative 3, or 8 minus 3, it will be 5. Then we will, what is the relation between 5 here and 5 here? It's multiplying. So we will divide 5 in both sides. So 5x divided 5 equals, as a result, we will have x equals 1. Let's check question 2. Question 2. We have 5a negative 5 equals 7 plus 2a. What we said? We want all the variables in B to be in one side. What is the smallest variable? It's 2a. So we will, here 2 is plus, so we will make minus 2a from both sides. We have 5a, and we will make minus a in both sides. We will make minus 2a from both sides. Okay, and then we will put negative 5 equals 7. We have it already in the equation, plus 2a, the original one, and then negative 2a, the one that I make minus, negative 2a. So after taking negative 2a from both sides, so what we will do here, we have 5a, negative 2a, this will equal 3a, negative 5 equals 7. Now it's became a normal equation, we can use it. Same of the last two lessons. What we will do with the 5, we will make plus 5 or add 5 in both sides. We will add 5 in both sides, right? We will add 5 in both sides. And the result here will be 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. And now, let's take out 3. 3 is multiplying with a, so we will divide 3 in both sides. So it will be 12 divided by, so a equals 12 divided by 3. Now a equals 4. This is clear? Let's take question 3. What's question 3? We have 2x plus 7 equals 10x minus 9. Okay? X plus 7 equals 10x negative 9. So I want to remove one of x from any side, because I want variable to be only in one side. So to remove x, this x or this x, it's up to you. You can choose any x you want to remove. Okay? So I will choose to remove the small x, 2x. So I will, 2 here is plus, so I will minus 2 from both sides. It will be 2x minus 2x. Okay, and we have positive 7. This equals 10x minus 2x negative 9. Okay, let's combine the like terms. We have 2x and 2x, one positive and one negative, so it's equals 0. And we have 7, so here will be remaining 7. 7 equals 10x minus 2x is 10x minus 2x will be 8x negative 9. Now let's remove the 9. Let's remove the 9. 9 here is subtract 9, so we will add 9 to the both sides. We have here, it will be 7 plus 9 equals 8x. 7 plus 9 is 16 equals 8x. What is the relation between 8 and x? It's multiplication. So what we will do, we will divide. We will divide 8 in both sides. So 16 divided 2, 16 divided by 8 equals x. So as a result, 16 divided 8 is 2 equals x. So x here equals 2. Question 4, we have 4y negative 2 equals 6y plus 6. So we have 4y. So what here we have 2. Here we have variables in two sides. Variables in both sides. What we will do, we want to remove one variable from one side. Any variable you will choose, you can remove. I will remove the smallest one is 4, and 4 here is positive, so I will minus 4 from both sides. Okay, first side we have 4y. I will make minus 4y, and then we have negative 2, it's original, equals 6y, and then I will remove 4y. 4y minus 4y, it's 0, so I have here remaining negative 2, equals 6y negative 4y, it will be 2y plus 6. Now it's normal. We can first remove 6 by subtract 6 from both sides. Okay, so negative 2, negative 6, equals 2y. Negative 2, negative 6 is negative 4, negative 2 and negative 6. Both sign we will add with the sign, so it will be negative 8 equals 2y. Divide 2, divide both sides by 2. Why I'm dividing both sides by 2? Why I'm dividing both sides by 2? Because here y, the coefficient of y is 2. I want to remove this 2, so I will divide both sides by 2. Negative 8 divided 2 is negative 4 equals, this equals y. So y here, the answer is negative 4. Okay, let's take question 5. Question 5 here is 13x plus 15 equals 11x minus 25. I want the value of x. 13x plus 15 equals 11x. Let's take, we have x in both sides, so let's take the variables together. Remove any variable you want. I will remove the 11x from here, so I will minus 11x from both sides. 13x minus 11x plus 15, this is the first side, equals 11x minus 11x, okay, minus 25. 13 minus 11 is 2x plus 15 equals negative 25. Now it's a simple equation. First, remove 15 from its side by subtract 15 from both sides. 2x and plus 15 minus 15, 0, equals negative 25, negative 15. Okay, so 2x will equals negative 25 and negative 15. It means adding with the same side, the sign here is negative. 25 and 15 is divide both sides by 2. I have here x will equals 40 divided 2, it will equals 20. Let's see question 6. 5t negative 5 equals 5t negative 7. First, we want to take out variable from one side. We want the variable to be only in one side. So choose one side, 5t here and 5t here. So it's confused. So choose any one. I will take the 5. I will subtract 5t from both sides. So I have here 5t. This is question 6 first. This is question 6. Okay. I have here 5t. I have here original 5t. Then I will subtract from it 5t minus 5t. And we have in original negative 5. we have in the original negative 5. This equals the other side, we have 5t, it's original, and I will subtract 5t again. Okay, and plus 7. So let's subtract 5t, negative 5t equals 0, negative 5. This equals 5t and negative 5t also 0, and this plus 7. So what is this? Negative 5 equals plus 7? No, so here we have no solution. You can understand? Okay. After solving the exercise in your book, please go for page 596 and complete solving from question 13 to question 22. Good luck!